Hello, hello everyone. Madungog ra?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes po, ma'am.
Makita ra?
Yes. Yes po.
So good evening
Kita ra, ma'am.
everyone. Good evening everyone. We will discuss about venipuncture, patient and technical complications. Today, we will name and describe each of the examples of venipuncture complications. Before we will continue to our discussion, we will have a short energizer with a twist called jumbled words. Instead of calling names, we will have a duck race. So, names. So, kung kinsa ang mauna nga name is siya ang mag-answer sa jumbled words. So, start na. Okay. Hesta? Okay. Hello, are you still there?
Yes.
This is the first jumbled word. You have only 5 seconds to answer it.
Allergies.
Correct. Okay, next. Wait. Next is Kayla Sulapas. Hello? Still there?
Hello?
Okay. This is the next scrambled word.
Venipuncture.
Again?
Venipuncture.
Correct is correct. Venipuncture. Next. Dahil naman si Hesta. Okay. We have Rika Ford, the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the third jumbled word and the last jumbled word.
If I'm not mistaken, is this seizure? Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes, you're correct. Very
Thank you
good.
so much.
Okay, we will continue to our discussion. So these are the 5 patient complications. First is fainting, second, seizures, third, petechiae, fourth, allergies, and lastly, technical complications. So first is fainting. Is the spontaneous loss of consciousness caused by insufficient blood flow to the brain. Keeping their minds off the procedure through conversation can be helped. If a patient begins to faint during the procedure, immediately remove the tourniquet and needle and apply pressure to the venipuncture site. So fainting. Kung sa Bisaya pa, malipong, dayon, makuyapan. If kanang naa na mo sa mag-inject na mo, for example, magkuha na mo blood sample sa inyong patient. Dayon, if nakabantay mo nga kanang nang luspad na siya, before that, unahon jud ninyo, ayo jud ninyo kalimti unahon ang tourniquet. Dayon ang needle, i-apply pressure to the venipuncture site. Okay, next is seizure. If this situation occurs, the tourniquet and needle should be removed. Pressure applied to the site. Restrain the patient only to the extent that injury is prevented. So sa kanang before mo collect of blood sample kay di ba mag-examine pa man mo sa patient. So kanang for example na ang patient nimo is naay past experience of seizure. So dapat be alert as a medtech, be alert nga what if sa inyong ipot sa inyong mind nga what if magka-seizure ni siya kalit inana kay tungod sa kahadlok or nakulbaan siya nga kuan siya dugo. So if naa mo sa situation ana, same gihapon siya, kuhaon una ang tourniquet, tapos ang needle, then apply pressure sa site. Then next is petechiae. Petechiae are small, non-raised red hemorrhagic spots may be associated with prolonged bleeding following venipuncture. So magka-petechiae ka if, for example, inyohang magkuha na mo sample sa inyong patient. Tapos, inyohang tourniquet is kanang huot gani kaayo. Tapos pagkuha ninyo is dugay gani ninyo nakuha ang kanang needle sa inyong patient kay nagpangita pa mo. So ikuha iditso nimo kuha din usa pa iuna nimo ang needle usa ang kanang tourniquet is magka-petechiae siya kay ang kanang mga blood clot is nag-spread siya sa diri here. Tapos, mo ni siya ang example sa petechiae in real life. Makita ra class? Hello?
Yes, makita.
Makita ra. Okay. Next is allergies. Necessary precautions must be observed by using alternate antiseptics, paper tape, or self-adhering wrap, and non-latex products. So, allergies, ask mo if okay ay kanang naa ba sila allergy sa kanang latex products. So, if naa sila yung mga allergies, kailangan natong kanang alternate. So, bali, non-latex products atong gamiton para iwas kanang makuan atong patient. Before we will continue to our discussion, let's have an icebreaker. Guess the picture with a twist. Okay, let's start. Okay, please state your last name.
Rapas.
Okay, what do you think? Unsay kuan sa picture?
Lion.
Lion? Who else? Yes?
Ako, ma'am.
Please state your last name.
Hesta.
Okay, Hesta. What is your guess?
Monkey or snake?
Monkey. Only one. Choose one.
Snake.
Okay, snake. Okay, let's reveal this picture. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a snake. Hesta, you have 10 points. So each of the correct answer will have 10 points. Okay, next. This picture. Guess the picture.
Pilapas again, miss.
Okay, sulapas.
I think monkey.
Monkey. Who else? Hello? Still there? Okay, let's reveal this picture. Wow, you got the correct answer. You have 10 points. Next. Who else? Hello? Anyone in the class? No one? Hello?
Hi.
Isa may mo answer, Annie.
Ako.
Okay. Your last name is?
Gista.
Okay. Asa may imuhang think nga answer, ana?
Pig.
Pig? Who else? Pig. Who else? Anyone in the class?
Pilapas, miss.
Sulapas again? Yes, what's your answer?
Chicken.
Chicken. Anyone? Wala na? Okay, let's reveal the answers. Ay, answer pala. Okay. Oh no! No one got the correct answer. It's a horse. Tawa mo ba? Ano sa ni? Panduka na mo, class. So, let's continue to our discussion. Everyone. Technical complications. So, these are the 5 technical complications during our venipuncture. First, we should know what is the meaning of venipuncture. Venipuncture is a procedure in which a needle is used to take blood from a vein. Usually for laboratory testing, venipuncture may also be done to remove extra red blood cells from the blood, to treat certain blood disorders also called blood draw and phlebotomy. So as you can see, class, these are the 4 main components. These are the 4 main components. The first is red blood cells, second, white blood cells, third, platelets, and the last is plasma. Ang red blood cells, siya ang nag-carry sa oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Dayon, ang kaning white blood cells, fight diseases and protect the body from infection. So, ang white blood cells, kay mao na siya ang nag-fight sa mga infection nga nakasud sa atong lawas. Tapos, ang platelets gather at the site of injury and help the clotting process. So, for example, masamad mo class. Ang platelets, siya ang mag-help sa mag-clot. Kabantay mo, if masamad mo, di ba, mag-kuan mo na siya, cover up naman na siya, tapos mag-clot na siya. O na siya ang platelets nga nag-help para sa clotting process. Ang plasma is a straw colored liquid where the other components are flowed in. Next, first is failure to obtain blood. A is needle position. So kung magkuha mo og kanang blood sample, we need to kuan kanang 15 to 30 degree ang angle sa inyong needle. Kay dili mo makakuha og dugo if wala sa degree. For example, ang inyong position kay sayo dili siya dili siya 15 to 30 degree. So dili siya makakuha og dugo. Next is bevel against the wall of the vein. For example, igtusok ninyo class kay naa siya sa wall ra, wala siya kasulod jud mismo sa vein. Makita raman ninyo guys, di ba? I mean class nga kanang blue is mo na siya ang vein. Ang kani siya is mo ni siya ang needle. So pagpasok ninyo dire is wala siya kasulod mismo sa vein, dili mo kakuha og blood. So dapat inyo jud na siyang i-insert pa, inyong i-swim para makasud siya sa vein mismo. Next is needle too shallow. Needle partially inserted. So sa here is pag-inject ninyo, pagkuha ninyo blood is wala gani siya. Same ra siya nga wala siya kasulod. Kay babaw ra kaayo. Kanang makita ninyo class dire, anaan ninyo. Di ba maka-feel mo og vein. Tapos i-inject ninyo, abi ninyo, wala na nagbababaw ra man ni ngano wala ko kakuha. So inyo jung kanang i-down gani, like i-swim papababa kay what nakabalo nga ang katong inyuhang vein is na dito siya nagpailalom, pero makita ra siya sa babaw. Next is collapse vein. Ang kanang collapse vein kay for example class kanang magkuha na mo og kanang blood. Tapos ang inyong tourniquet is naa here. Diri ba duol sa inyong venipuncture site. So mag-collapse jud siya kay uot baya kay nang tourniquet. So when you put tourniquet, dapat 4 ka kuan, tas diri ka mag-put og tourniquet. Tapos napoy uban nga mag-collapse ang vein kay tungod pag-insert ninyo sa needle is nipis kaayo ang ugat. Tapos huot kayo ang tourniquet. So mao na siya, makakollapse na siya sa vein. And next is needle beside the vein. If mag-insert na mo og needle, mag-insert na mo, ang atoang vein is mag-roll gani na siya, like mag-irog-irog siya, dili siya mismo mag-stay put ra na siya. So if mag-insert na mo og needle, kay hinay-hinay ninyo i-insert. Dapat ikuha na ninyo class, i-insert na siya. Tapos ayaw jud ninyo gamita ang kani, i-ana-ana ninyo, i-insert ninyo sa needle kay makuan man na siya, mag-hemolyze ang inyong patient. And then next is collection attempts. When blood is not obtained from the initial venipuncture, the phlebotomist should select another site, either the other arm or below the previous site, and repeat the procedure using new needle. A phlebotomist must do 2 venipuncture attempts only on a patient. So for example, class, magkuha lang mo dugo. Tapos, confident na kayo, dali ako makakuha aning dugo. Pero, pag-insert na ninyo sa needle is, wala na mo kakuha og dugo. So, magkuha na pud mo. Kuha ninyo ang needle. Ilabay. Ang kanimong good atong vein class, we have, ay naa ni siya tulo na medial, basilic, and cephalic. Ang median, diha mo first makuha, which is, mo man na siya ang pinakadako nga vein. Next is cephalic. Ang basilic kay last na siya kay diri naman na siya nga part. So, if magkuha mo sa, for example, sa basilic, I mean sa median, pagkuha ninyo sa median kay wala, adto na pud mo sa cephalic. Pero dapat ikaduha ra jud mo makakuha sa inyong patient. Only 2 attempts each patient. Okay, class? Next is nerve injury. When blood is not obtained from an initial venipuncture, the phlebotomist should select another site, either in the arm or below the previous site, and repeat the procedure using new needle. Same ra gihapon siya, pero if for example, magkuha mo diri, median, diri sa babaw, here. Pwede pud mo makakuha the other day sa diri, sa ubos-ubos na siya sa venipuncture site. Kaya diri naman mo nagkuha. Di man na siya pwede nga diri gihapon mo magkuha kung asa mo nagkuha. So next day is pwede mo magkuha here. Sa ubos-ubos siya sa gikuhaan. Next is iatrogenic anemia. Is a condition of blood loss caused by treatment, can occur when large amount of blood are removed for testing at one time or over a period. Other one is anemic amount of red blood cells. Next, hemolyzed sample. Detected by the presence of pink and red blood cell membrane releases cellular contents into the serum or plasma and produces interference with many test results. So, hapit na ta class mahuman, we have recap. So, what are the complications? Can you tell me? Anyone? Can you read the complications, please?
Miss.
Okay. Can you please read the complications?
Complication causing 4, which is the fainting, seizures, petechiae, allergy.
Okay, thank you. Next is failure to obtain blood. Can you read it, Miss? Let me call Miss Ricafort.
Can I
Okay,
volunteer?
sige, sure.
Miss,
Yes?
can I volunteer?
Yes. Failure to obtain blood. Okay. Read.
Okay. First is needle position. Bevel against the wall of the vein. Needle too shallow. Collapse vein. Needle beside the vein.
Okay, thank you. Next, collection attempts. A phlebotomist must do 2 venipuncture attempts. Okay. So before we will end our discussion, we will have 3 question and answer. Okay. The first question is, before that, hello class, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. For my first question, if naminaw jud mo nako sa akong discussion, how many attempts can a phlebotomist can do a venipuncture to a patient?
Miss,
Okay, yes, Hasta?
kuan miss. 2 attempts.
2 attempts? Yes, correct. Second, it is a condition of blood caused by treatment. Again, it is a condition of blood caused by treatment.
Miss,
Yes?
iatrogenic.
What? Again?
Iatrogenic.
Yes, correct. And last, a small non-raised red hemorrhagic spots.
Can I volunteer, miss?
Anyone in the class?
Failure
Yes.
to connection. Answer
Yes?
is Petechiae.
Petechiae. Correct. Yes, you're correct. Anyone who wants to share their takeaways about our topic?
Miss, again.
Their takeaways about our topic?
Ako, miss.
Okay. Yes?
So, as far as I've understand about the discussion discussed earlier, the venipuncture is a procedure in which a needle is used to take blood from a vein and usually for laboratory testing.
Yes, you're correct. Thank you. Okay, we will have our conclusions. Venipuncture is the process of obtaining blood from a patient, can have both patient and technical complications. Patient complications include fainting, seizures, petechiae, and allergies. Technical complications include failure to obtain blood, collection attempts, nerve injury, iatrogenic anemia, and hemolyzed sample. Proper procedures and precautions should be taken to minimize these complications and ensure the safety and comfort of the patients. So that's all for today, class. I hope you will understand the discussion and thank you.